Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to draw the clamping plate. So let's move to the software Fusion 360. Okay, and as usual, choose sketch and select the plane that you want to draw. And using a rectangle, okay, the height is 32. And the width is 8 plus 16 plus 8. Okay, so 32 plus 32. So move back to here, and you can now extrude the object for now. The width is 7. And press enter. So now that we have two circle that we need to draw and then extrude them. So let's start with the smaller one. So right click on the surface and create sketch. As usual, please start with identifying where is the center point. Okay, this one we're going to do both vertical and horizontal. Okay, and then we are going to draw the smaller circle first. The diameter is 6. And then the distance of this is 8. Okay, similar to the other side. I'm just going to mirror objects, mirror line, and okay. Okay, now go to solid and extrude both of them. Operation, cut, direction, extend all, and select. Okay, I think this one we can just pull and select okay. Alright. So go back to sketch and turn on the sketch over here so that we can see the origin that we drawn earlier. So focus back on the front view, and then using the function sketch, so we are going to draw another 2 circle. This one is 17. Okay, the diameter 17.78. And then using the function mirror, select the object you want to mirror, and then select the reference point or the mirror line and select OK. Alright, now using these both sketches, now we want to do cut operation. This one and also this one. Okay. So the length or this one, they have an angle that we need to create. Profile plane, direction, distance. Oh, okay, taper is this one, angle. So let's try with 60 degree and see what happens. Sometimes we need to, okay, so you can see the angle is become bigger. Supposedly it should become smaller. So we need to change to negative 60 degree and okay. So now we can remove the sketch earlier, and now we have done for the clamping plate.